Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn the funny topics, kindergarten and amusement park. Hey kids, do you like kindergarten? Do you remember what's in the kindergarten? Is the teddy bear, is the card or pencil case? Let's learn together.
盆景玩具城堡幼师同学们好，鞋柜
全部重新按一下。
换盆景玩具城堡幼师同学们好，鞋柜书架玩积木不倒翁调色盘画画蜡笔图画书看书的小朋友卡片园长大家注意安全，在幼儿园园长就是小朋友的家长哦，一定要听他们的话。折纸文具盒
Okay, let's move to the next one, amusement park.
过山车城堡旋转木马溜冰场小火车旋转飞机小丑摩天轮划船小帆船快乐飞在大海上，蓝色小帆，白的小船，快乐飞在大海上，海鸥都爱它。蓝的小帆，白的小船，蓝色天，白色云，手拉手看小帆船，唱起歌，扬起帆，牵小浪花，小卖部。摩天轮
Okay, this is the last one for this book. Thank you so much for you guys keep on watching our video. How many words have you learned from this book? Next video, we will show you something more interesting about another book. We are the supplier of sound books in China. You can get more information about us on our website. See you next time.